My name's Felicity. I'm the CEO of WeightLoss Solutions Australia, which is my absolute passion every single day of my life. Mindfulness Mastery is absolutely one of my favourite workshops that we offer to all of our weight loss warriors. This is something quite unique.
It made me feel better knowing that there's the good support system around me.
I highly recommend doing it. It's really, really good, really positive, and it makes you really think about where you are in your life.
There's little moments where I could feel a greater sense of well-being and gratitude, I suppose, that I can capture easily every day if I just take that time to just be present instead of being distracted by other things.
You might find that all of a sudden you've got more energy, more vitality, or just more physical comfort and ability to do more with yourself.
And then I found WeightLoss Solutions Australia actually, and went down that road. I feel so much healthier, I have so much more energy.
Just do it, because once you do something, you feel so much better for it.
We have this future-focused, outcome, goal-driven lifestyle that makes it very difficult for us to be present in this moment today. When you feel a part of a community, you experience a stronger sense of purpose than when you're going on this journey alone. But try to focus on those tasks, those aspects that really makes you feel happy. And asking for that support and turning towards those people and not being ashamed to ask for it.